this is about, again, some temporary legislation that has come into play and via the government. It's about electronic witnessing of legal documentation. So in an attempt to reduce face-to-face contact during COVID, the government's introduced some new regulations to temporarily, so remember, temporarily enable legal documents to be witnessed remotely via audio-visual link. Okay, so what are we talking about with audio-visual links? We're talking, Skype, WhatsApp, FaceTime, Zoom, GoToMeeting. There are multitudes of these. Everybody talks about Zoom, and there could be 10 different programs that they're actually referring to. We can use any of those types of audio-visual technology to actually witness important documents, okay, and witnessing statutory declarations during the COVID-19 pandemic period. Okay, so what does that actually mean? It means that, the witness has to see the signatory actually signing the document in real time. So, if you're needing witnesses, remember, this could actually be for leases, but you need to have that on there. You need to see it happening. If you're looking for photo ID, if part of this is about getting photo ID, then you need to see that on the screen. So you need to see the person, you need to see their photo ID. The witness needs to be satisfied that the document they sign is the same document or a copy of the document signed by. So, the documentation has to be identical. So again, there needs to be some really good processes around how you're going to do that. So, it's I've got it written here somewhere, the Electronic Transactions Amendment, COVID Witnessing of Documents Regulation 2020. I say it again, it is temporary. Okay, so this is only for the time being that we can do this witnessing of documents and gaining, for the signing of legal documentation. And obviously the contracts and the agreements that we sign as agents all fall into that category. So this new legislation, again, have a look on NCAT News to find this out. This information was sent out via the NCAT News. I suggest that, particularly if you're working in property management, that you subscribe to that. Same way that I always say subscribe to Property Matters, subscribe to the Letterbox newsletter that comes out from Fair Trading that's specifically about property management issues. Their letterbox came out today, there was the information about the further tenancy law changes was on there. There's also information on there in the latest letterbox about land tax relief schemes to help both landlords and tenants. So there's a little bit of information about there on how to claim that and where to go to for that. And obviously that's through the Services New South Wales website. But the best place to get this information is obviously all coming via New South Wales Fair Trading. So guys, use that information, make sure you're getting that information, and so you're staying on top of where you need to be through this very uncertain period of how you're doing your business.